Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see what is punch needle art and also what are the things needed to do punch needle art. First, we'll see what is punch needle art. As the name suggests, you will think punch is we have to just punch the needle inside a cloth to bring a beautiful design. To do this punch needle art, we want a cloth in which we have drawn a design. We'll hook that cloth inside the hook. Then we will use the padded punch needle to punch the design. So we'll punch like this to get this beautiful design. So this is how the punch needle artwork look. After punching the design, it looks like this. So in punch needle art, this side we will tell it as the stitch side and this side we will tell as the loop side. We can use any of the side based on the design which we are using. Next we are going to see what all things needed to start a punch needle. For that we want a fabric. This is known as monk fabric. Next embroidery hook. Next punch needle. Next needle threader. Next fabric glue, scissors and yarn.